Want to refresh your Instagram Explore page and see content that truly matches your interests? In this 2025 quick and easy guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to reset your Instagram Explore feed so you can discover the posts, reels, and accounts you actually want to see. First is open your Instagram app, then open your profile. After opening, click the three lines in the upper right corner. After clicking, scroll down and click Content Preferences. Now, you can see the Reset Suggested Content. Click it. Now, click the Reset Suggested Content in the below. And that's it. Your Instagram Explore page is now reset and ready to give you fresh, relevant content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. See you in the next video.